Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Also, if you're new, before I hop into this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can join my journey and save cash with me all 2022. So, by the title of this video, this is my third cash stuffing of February, and it is also my tax return money. So, today we will be stuffing a total of $1,787, but here I have a total of $1,137. Some bank accounts will be getting money left into the bank. I just didn't want to withdraw it so that I didn't have the problem of having to deposit it back in the bank. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our money sorted out into our organizer. How is everyone doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. We're having a rainy day over here, but it's still a good day. So no complaints over here. Also, I want to start something new with you guys, so we can, become a little more familiar with each other. Tell me, what are some of your financial goals for the year of 2022? Or if you're starting a YouTube channel yourself, tell me some goals that you have for, just your financial journey. But all the money is organized. So we're going to go ahead and start with low priority. Let's get right into it. So for Mommy Made Money, or my business, that is getting $50, but the $50 will be staying in the bank because I do have to make some purchases for my business. So Babe is getting a $50. So Babe now has $50, $51, $52, $53, $54, and $55. Vacation is getting $50, and this is so exciting because I really want to go somewhere, and with all the restrictions coming to an end and being lifted, you still should use precaution, but hopefully it's going to be a lot less crazy, I guess you can say. So vacation now has $50, $60, $70, $80, $85, $90. So yeah, definitely planning on going somewhere. My husband's not really a traveler, so hopefully I can convince him to go somewhere small at least. Date night is getting $50. Date night now has $50, $60, $70, $75, $80, $85, $86, $87, and $88. Okay, miscellaneous is getting $70, and it has 10. So 50, 60, 70, 80. And memberships is getting 20. I figured, most of my memberships will be coming out of my bank personally, like Apple and, just stuff I may have on my phone. But this is like maybe for a gym membership that I want to pay in person, instead of having a monthly charge to my card that I most likely will forget about. But memberships now has $20, $25, $30, $35. And the reason that I wanted to stuff my low priority funds is because I feel like having a backup is necessary. Even though I have emergency, it's always good to have a backup. So that's why I chose to stuff that. I know most people just stuff their high priority and their challenges, but me personally, I wanted to do a little bit more. Next is my high priority funds. Starting with emergency. Emergency is getting $100, and I'm definitely going to have to do a bill exchange, so I'm going to have to learn how to do that. I'm so confused about it, so yeah. But emergency got 100, and now it has 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 280. Let me count it again. 100, 150, 160, 70, 180, 90, 210, 220, 30, 240, 50, 260, 70, 275, 280. All right, so $280 in emergency savings, which is incredible. I'm ecstatic about that. So next is New Place. New Place is also getting $100. New Place now has 100, 120, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 94. So $400 is now in New Place. So this needs a New Place holder ASAP. Okay, next is Car Cash. Car Cash is also getting 100, our last $100. So Car Cash now has 100, 150, 160, 70, 180, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. So 250, 251, 252, 253, 254. So $254 is in Car Cash. Okay, next is Health. And Health is getting 50. So Health now has 50, 60, 70, 71, and $72. Anniversary is getting 50. Anniversary now has 50, 60. Wedding is getting 50 as well. Wedding now has 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $100. Holidays is getting a 50 as well. So $50 is in Holidays because it had nothing before. And Debt is getting $500. But that $500 will be staying in the bank because I will be paying off my credit card with that $500. I will be counting this and putting this toward my debt as well, but I won't be depositing it into the bank. I would just take this and use this as pocket money. Right now in debt, we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So we will be depositing a total of $584. Yes, so we're going to take this out and actually put it in the back here so that we know to take that out of debt. And we officially are starting our debt folder over so that we can start to accumulate money again. We're going to go ahead and move on to our challenges. But if you guys are not new to my channel, you know that I always come back to the back of this binder to stuff my 1 month ahead challenge. So we'll put this to the side for now, and we're going to grab our $1 challenge. So our $1 challenge is getting $20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Alright. So if this doesn't fit, I'm going to have to separate them and put them into different groups and maybe roll them up a certain way, but okay, it fits. So our $1 challenge is complete. We're going to put this over to the side over here. Next is our $600 challenge. That is my son's personal savings, which is in my savings account in my bank. So I will put on the screen, as I always do, the amount that now has. Next is going to be our 1K rainy day and our 1K household challenges. So they both go into the same container. Thought it would be nice to knock out 2 1K challenges, and essentially it's called the 2K challenge now because it's just added together. But let's go ahead and take out what we have, and they're both going to get 90. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And then the same thing for the next one. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So now I like to keep my bills in order even when doing challenges, just to kind of know where I'm at. So 50s go in the back and slide the 20s right in there. So we can call it the 2K challenge. Now got $180. So this challenge is now complete. We're going to go ahead and put it to the side with the other challenges. So also, you guys know that I have these little charts that I scratch off my numbers with. We can go ahead and scratch off both of these. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and flip over and do Alex's savings. We went ahead and filled in 2 50s. Okay, we could put that one to the side. And now we're going to go ahead and move on to our 5K or 100 envelope challenge. So we are filling in our 97 card. So that'll be $97 being stuffed. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5, 96, 97. And then you just slide the money right on in. Okay, and we could put this to the side. Next is our 1 month ahead challenge. So like I said, that's in this binder with our priorities. So, or with our sinking funds. So it's in the back here. We're going to be putting in a total of $60. So we can go ahead and cross off 60. Okay. So 50 and 60. Alright, so we just stuff that back in the back here. And then our last challenge that we'll be getting stuffed is our self-care challenge, which will be getting $40. So go ahead and cross this off. And we can go ahead and put this to the side. And it's our last 20s, so 20, 40 will be getting put into this binder. Alright. And the leftover money we have, like I said, is going to be my pocket money. It is a total of $84, and it's going to be going toward my debt, which is my credit card, and it's going to be getting a total of $584 paid off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join my journey, because I'm saving money all 2022, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.